Guys, what is up? My name is Corporal Cook here, and today I'm doing a special thing for the 67 subscribers that I got, because that was my goal. If I never hit 67, I would just go live in a fucking ditch for the rest of my life. But today, we're doing an unboxing video. Not an Elgato or, you know, like one of them crazy-ass motherfuckers pull out a damn headset or some shit, but motherfucker, we're doing cornflakes right now. Motherfucking cornflakes. This is my shit right here, man. I've grown up with you since the fucking day one. Since I was walking on my ass, alright? You fucking helped me through all my videos. You have just, oh my god, dude. I be eating you at 2 o'clock in the morning, making a video for my fans, you know? Oh, fuck. Let's open this bitch up. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck! Hold up. Oh, shit. I ripped the box. Fuck me. Hold up. I got it. Alright. Pick this shit up. Whoa, fuck! Look at it! There's, like, maybe a fucking prize in... The fuck? You will never be... known? Cornflakes! I thought you were better than this! Man! Man! Why? Why you gotta do this to me, man? You know what? Fuck! 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 Oh shit, the cheese! The cheese! Fuck, what's this? You don't think I'm known? You don't think I'm fucking known? Motherfucker, you don't think I'm known? You think I'm fucking known? Huh? Am I known now? Am I known now? Huh? Am I known? Watch out, dog! You got ashes on you, doggy!